There are different ways a project manager can lead the team. Multiple factors impact which style is exhibited by the project manager in different projects and at various stages within a project. The mood and attitude of the team and the project manager, the shared values and ethics being displayed, and the structure of the team and the organization, as well as social, economic, and political situations, all play a role in the display of a leadership style. Let us talk about the most common types of leadership styles. Laissez-faire is a leadership style where the project manager allows the team to set up the goals and then make decisions to reach those goals. This style is also called a hands-off style. The transactional style, also called management by exception, is where the focus is on the goals. Feedback is frequently used as a guide and personal and team successes are rewarded. In this style, a project manager would let the team proceed on its own, but uses feedback and rewards as a way to guide the team. However, for individual decisions, the project manager may intervene if the decision or approach by the team seems to deviate from the goals and objectives. Servant leader style has become popular with the agile approaches. The idea is that the project manager is actually not a manager, but rather a leader whose sole purpose is to serve the team. So the servant leader will focus on mentoring, guiding, and coaching the team and help them learn and grow. The project management is all about developing and nurturing relationships and collaboration. The transformational style focuses on inspirational approach. The project manager motivates the team by displaying and projecting the ideal behavior to achieve success. Creativity is highly encouraged, and so is individuality. Another word that describes this style is empowerment. That is, inspire and encourage team members so they take initiative through the proper behavioral approach. Charismatic leadership style is where the project manager shows high energy and enthusiasm as well as self-confidence. The PM will display strong convictions toward the project goals, and that in itself inspires the team. And the last one is interactional, which is a combination of transactional, transformational, and charismatic leadership styles. It simply means that the project manager will show a strong conviction to achieve the project goals and will inspire and motivate the team while encouraging the right attitude and behaviors. However, as needed, the project manager will provide feedback and reward performance as well as correct the direction or decisions when needed.